Hello, Pacewell 11T class. This is Steve. I hope that everyone is doing really well. I wanted to do this quick video to introduce you all to our team project. So what does our team project entail? Well, it is focusing on managing distractions, and your group is to research solutions or strategies for effectively managing all of the different distractions that we experience in our lives. These can be, of course, our cell phones, even family and friends can be distractions. And it's to be 4 to 6 minutes in length. You will not be presenting it live, but you want to tap into the resources that we have under unit number 6, as well as do some research on managing distractions, particularly with college students, and using some primary sources in addition to our unit number 6 resources. When we say primary resources, we mean legitimate resources like journal or publication articles, not Wikipedia. The presentation should have audio narration or speaker notes. You want to make sure that you are citing sources correctly. I provided this link from the library that talks about citing your sources. Please do not read the slides like I am doing right now. Keep the slide text to a minimum. You want to just list the major topics and themes, and then use your narration, your audio, your speaker notes to expand upon those talking prompts and themes. And it is due on July 4th, which is the end of our unit number 7 and worth a total of 50 points. Now, who is in your group? I have divided you up all into groups of 4. So here is listed who is in which group. You can also go to our Leo course page, and if you click on the My Tools tab at the top, and then click on groups, you're going to see also who is in your group there. But thought I would be helpful and provide this slide here that lists who is in each group. Now, how will you communicate? There are so many different ways to communicate now in the year 2023. I have listed a number of ways that students in the past have communicated. You want to really start off, though, in our unit number 6 discussion. We've created a group discussion for each of the teams. Go there, introduce yourself to your team members, exchange contact information, and then you can get using some of these other resources for creating your team project. Be sure that if you have any team members that are uncommunicative, they're not communicating, they're ghosting the group, be sure that they do not sign the team charter. And the team charter is due the end of unit number 6. So this is basically an accountability contract. You're going to list the general responsibilities for each of your group members in terms of the contribution that they'll be having to the team project, and everyone who is actively engaged thus far in the team project needs to sign it and date it. You can just type your name out there if need be. And if you download this team charter under our unit number 6, you will find that it is a fillable and writable document. The format. So in the past, students or groups have used a number of different formats, from PowerPoints to podcasts to Zoom discussions, Prezis, MP4, YouTube videos. You are free to have at it, get creative with it, have fun. I wanted to mention, though, this resource that I'm using right now to create this video, which is a screencasting resource called ScreenPal. So you can go to this link here if you want, and it allows you to share your screen like I'm doing right now and creating a quick video. Under 15 minutes videos are free using the screen recorder, so recommend that you consider using that. Don't forget, for our unit number 7, which is the week that the team project is to be submitted, you also have each member of your team is to complete an individual reflection evaluating the quality and level of team or group member in individual group member participation in the team project, if you will. So that is also a grading event that we do the end of unit number 7. Now you will have questions that come up. Please feel free to contact me. I got my email address here. Remember, we have the Ask the Professor discussion, and then within Leo, the course menu, there's also an instant message feature that you can use as well. So I am always excited to review your team projects. So again, make it fun. Try to be creative a little bit with it, and get on it starting at the latest next week for our unit number 5, because we want to make sure that you are communicating with your groups, because the deadline for submitting the team project comes up really quickly. That unit number 7 will be here before we know it. So thank you so much for listening, and take care.